Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is how giveaways can benefit you.
So we've done quite a few giveaways before, and these things can help promote the name of your brand or your business quite well. They can be a sharp two-edged sword though. You can end up having a case where you're doing a lot of giving away, people kind of scamming the system on you, and things like that. So it does present challenges that you're going to have to watch out for in your business. But giveaways are a great way of giving back to the community that you're serving, whatever your particular niche is. And it's a great way of bringing awareness about your personal brand or your company.
Yeah, definitely. One thing that the giveaways can help benefit you is it's a source of free marketing. Now, although you're going to have your initial time out in making the product, when the word gets out there, then ultimately it's just people sharing with their friends or their family or other people that they think would be interested in that particular product. I think the best example we had of doing this particular giveaway style is that one of our products, we had offered hand-forged skillets, and we decided that we're going to do a giveaway. This was over a year ago now. I think it's about closer to 2 years ago. But the way the post was written up and it was shared on Facebook is that you have to leave a comment and you have to share the post. And in order for that, and we got above 10,000 people liking it, and I'm not sure, we had over 100 shares, but it got traction very quickly over a couple of days. And ultimately, somebody won the pan, and they were very excited about it.
And that also led to sales. That led to more sales as well of those particular skillets. So that really helped out in the business quite a bit.
Yeah.
So that's a great example of where giveaways can do that. You don't have to go as intense as something as making a whole skillet that takes a lot of time and effort of that nature. You want to put your best foot forward because once again you're marketing your company, you're marketing yourself as an artist, as an individual, and that's very important that you put your best foot forward when it comes to that. Whenever you take and do a giveaway. The other thing I'd like to take and challenge about giveaways is don't make the giveaway just about what you're getting in return. Yes, the giveaway does benefit you with publicity and good things like that, but really do it out of a place of a good heart. Do it out of a place of wanting to serve, not be served. And people will read your genuine nature when it comes to that, and then they will return the favor. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really thank you all for watching.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.